What's up, everybody? Chad here, and welcome to the home of the Money Minute. Today we're going to be talking about an unenveloping, not an unboxing. I kind of wasted that opportunity with my platinum, but an unenveloping of the Marriott Amex Business. Boom, right here. This is a new card I just got, and I have the envelope stuff right here. I mean, of course, I had to open it, redact my information. But really and truly, it's not a terribly impressive presentation. I'm going to send it via mail, and I'm going to be doing a video on the application process because it was actually a pretty funny process where I applied for the card and I was initially rejected. But I was able to reach out to the recon line, and the application was then resubmitted for manual approval, to which I was approved, and I'll be posting a video on that. But just want to let you know that it comes in an envelope, and you have your stuff here where the card is stuck to, and that's the card. And then other than that, you just have your cardholder agreement, which has your APR, your date of account opening, and in addition to that, it has your credit limit and all the benefits. This as well, just another card holder agreement, and that's it. As a matter of fact, I think something else might be in here. Oh, there's a summary of additional benefits, which includes the travel benefits. We'll put that over there. And the last thing is what is called, it's just a privacy notice. So that's all that comes in the envelope. But this card is pretty awesome. I got it on the new sign-up bonus, which is 100,000 Marriott Bonvoy points for a $5,000 spend over the course of 3 months. Now, for some, that may not work for everybody, but given the work that I do and the fact that I am literally in Marriott every week, I shouldn't have a problem hitting it without putting any pressure on anything else. And I don't have any other spends that I'm working towards right now, so that works out for me. So in addition to that, that promotion is running until May 18th of 2022. If you apply for the card, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description. If you want to use my referral link, that'd be awesome. That will help support the channel, and you can get yourself a business card, because also as a business owner like me, or even if you're starting a business, you are eligible to get business cards as long as you know how to apply. I had done a money minute on it, and I'll go ahead and link that video as well. Now, the multipliers for the cards, you get 6 points for every dollar spent at a Marriott property or on Bonvoy. And currently, I'm staying at a Marriott, just as an aside, and there's actually an offer, an Amex offer on the card when you book and you spend, I think it's $100, you get 50 back. Let me double check it. I will totally double check it. And you can't beat that. So there's an offer plus your 6 points per card, plus you get 4 points for $1 spent at gas stations and on wireless service from US carriers, and 2 points on everything else. Now, the 2 points is pretty good because, especially going for a minimum spend, it really kind of takes the bite out of it, because you can still at least get 2 points per dollar, which is a great goal to set if you're using any sort of miles or cashback card. Other benefits include automatic Silver Elite status with the Marriott Bonvoy program, which you can link your card to, and you can earn a free night after spending $60,000 with the card. Also, you can get gold status by spending $35,000 on the card, which I probably wouldn't suggest, because if you're in the credit and miles game and you're already traveling, the American Express Platinum is actually a much cheaper route to go, even considering the annual fee, because you automatically get gold status. Finally, one of the larger benefits is the 15 Elite Night credits. Now, as other people have explained, and I'll explain as well, Elite Night credits are basically credits for nights that you stayed that you actually weren't at the hotel. So as an example, if you were to need, we'll make up a status, plaid status. And plaid status needed 20 nights in order for you to be eligible with Bonvoy. The 15 elite night credits just for holding the card would actually put you 75% of the way there. So that way, you would just need to spend 5 nights at a hotel and boom, you have your status. Now also, as another trick, understand that with the business card, you can also hold a personal Marriott card, which will also grant elite night credits, and the two will stack. You can get up to 30 elite night credits. We can actually knock you right up from one level to the next, easy peasy, or even get you halfway when you're trying to get from platinum to titanium. Because the levels are silver elite, gold elite, platinum elite, titanium elite, and the top is ambassador. Now, here's some of the tricks to it. When you have this card, when you're holding this card, understand that your elite status grants you stacks of points. So if you're not a Bonvoy member, you just get 6 points. But if you're getting this card, it's kind of silly not to be a Bonvoy member. So you get your 6 base points. When you spend money as a silver elite member at a Bonvoy property, a Marriott property, in total for every dollar that you spend, you actually earn 17 Bonvoy points. That's at silver elite, which is the lowest elite status. As you move up in status, the benefits get higher. As a gold member, holding this card, every dollar that you spend will get you 18.5 points. I'm a platinum member, so every dollar I spend gets me 21 points. And at the higher levels of titanium and ambassador, every dollar you spend is 23.5 points. So if you're building up a bank of Bonvoy points to make some aspirational trips, this is a great way to supercharge your points. And as far as benefits are concerned, finally, what I would consider the most valuable one is the free night credit you get every anniversary. So you get an eligible free night in a hotel that can be up to 35,000 points, but with the Bonvoy program, you can actually top it off with up to 15,000 extra points, pushing you into the 50,000 point range. Now that should get you a pretty decent night in a hotel, but either way, it is free. Free, as compared to another carrier. We're gonna leave them nameless, but this works great. You get that free night, which you can then use. And remember, if you also hold a personal card, that normally gets you a free night. And then in addition to that, there's a $60,000 spend if you get a free night. In order to get yourself a free night, which I'm probably not gonna do because I don't put all of my business spend on this card, but some people do. Some people actually travel even more than me. And that might be the case for people, and you can actually rack up at least 2 free nights a year, which is a return on your investment. So I've given you the pluses. Here's basically the only minus, is that the card does come with a $125 annual fee. Now, you can weigh that against the fact that as a business owner, annual fees, especially holding a business card in the name of your business, is tax deductible. You should be able to write those off on your taxes. I'm not a tax expert, please double check. Your minds may vary, but as far as I understand, that should be the case. So the annual fee isn't really like a premium annual fee of $550, $495, $695. $125, especially if you're getting the return on the card that it's meant to be used for. If you're staying in Marriott properties, you might be a sales consultant, you may just travel, period. I have travel agent friends who go and stay at places that counts for purchases on the Marriott property. These are points on top of points on top of points, because there is a breakdown. You get a point per dollar. You get 10 points per base dollar. The point per dollar is for holding elite status. So if you're just a regular person, that's 11 points there, plus your 6 points, which gets you to 17 points if you just hold silver elite status. Now, I know I just repeated myself, but I just have to hammer that forward, how many extra points you get and how they stack when you use this card. Now, in addition to that, there is purchase protection on the card. I wish they had cell phone insurance. That would be awesome. But as far as I know to date, that is not included on the card, but there is purchase protection. The card also has extended warranty that applies to manufacturer's warranties 5 years or less. It will add an extra year for you, further protecting your purchases. Now, in addition to those benefits, you also have travel benefits, which is baggage insurance and car rental loss and damage protection. That comes automatically on the card. Of course, when you book with the card, you are covered by these protections as well. Also, you have the availability. Additional cards, additional authorized users are free. You can have up to 99 of them. So if you have a player two, they may have a different card, but if they stay at Marriott's as well, you guys can actually pool the points by making them an AU on your Bonvoy Business account. Well, that's been my unenveloping of the Marriott Bonvoy Business card. I look forward to see what it is I can do with this, and hopefully you got some value out of this video. And if you did, please, I would really appreciate a like, a subscribe. Feel free to share. I'm always welcoming of input into the comments, agree, disagree. Let me know what your thoughts are, what your ideas are. Are you interested in the card? In addition to that, once again, I'll be putting a referral down in the description. You can feel free to apply for the card. You use my referral link, and that'll be direct support for the channel and myself, and it would be greatly appreciated. But until the next time, I'll catch up with you guys later.